Here's how to fix Valorant Error Code VAL 29. Follow these methods in order until the issue is resolved. First, open the Start menu, search for Services, and launch it. Scroll down until you find the VGC service, then double-click it. Change the startup type to Automatic. If the service isn't running, click Start and wait for it. Then select Apply, followed by OK. Next, close the Services window, open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Run the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each one. First type ipconfig /flush DNS. Then type net sh winsock reset. After running both commands, close Command Prompt. Now open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. Set View By to large icons, then open Network and Sharing Center. Click your active network connection, select Properties, then click Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses, then enter the following values. Preferred DNS server 1111, alternate DNS server 1001. Click OK, then OK again to save the changes. If the error still appears, open the Start menu, search for Riot Client, right-click it, and select Open File Location. Right-click the Riot Client shortcut again, choose Open File Location. Here, then copy the installation folder path from the address bar. Next, open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and launch it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings. Here, click Allow another app, then choose Browse, paste the folder path you copied, and press Enter. From here, select Riot Client Services.exe, then click Add. Once it's added, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. Now, again, click Allow another app again and click Browse once more. Now, browse to your Valorant installation folder. Open Valorant folder, then go to Live, and select the Valorant executable. Click Add. Now make sure the private and public boxes are checked for Bootstrap packaged game. Click OK to save all the firewall changes. The final method is to reset your network settings. Open the Start menu, search for Network Reset, and open it. Click Reset Now, confirm by selecting Yes, then restart your computer when prompted. After your PC restarts, launch Valorant again. This should resolve Valorant Error Code VAL 29. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.